Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to play weatherman for a second. We got some good rain yesterday, but today is supposed to be cloudy, but basically like 1% chance of rain. Yeah, I'm not complaining about the rain. It could be a little warmer. Last night, I prepared crispy chili beef. This is a nice Asian dish. After the first bite, I kind of went, I don't know. But I continued, and of course, because I was hungry. I continued to eat, and I'm like, oh, this is really good. So I debated between 4 stars and 5. I gave it a 5. Try this. The sauce makes this dish. I mean, it's a very simple dish. There's like 3 ingredients other than the sauce. So try it. Have fun with it. And I did that, prepared that over brown rice, the baked method. If you haven't tried the brown rice baked method, try it. It's easy. And it's all basically foolproof. Tonight, I'm getting away from Asia. I think we're coming back to the United States. Tonight, I'm preparing Cowboy Butter Chicken Linguine. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Couple Dutch ovens, one for the linguine, one for the chicken. The Cowboy Butter Chicken. So we got just under a pound of chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless, of course. A little bit of olive oil. Kosher salt, black pepper, garlic. Thank God tomorrow is shopping day. Because my garlic is like almost gone. A lot of butter. The recipe actually calls for about a half cup of butter. Using Sierra Nevada Porter brown mustard. Some lemon juice, some paprika, some cayenne, however how you say it. Excuse me. I'm going to use a little bit of ground thyme and good old flat leaf parsley and linguine. So here are the goodies for tonight's yummies. So on this Saturday, hopefully you have the day off. By the way, I already have my corned beef for Monday. Do you? Yeah. Matter of fact, I bought 2. One's in the freezer. I got a heck of a deal. Yeah. I couldn't pass up the prices. Yeah. Excellent deal. So, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.